Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn 25 Dinka to English words. 1. Ammunition. Ammunitions in Dinka mean dan imach. Dan imach. Dan imach. Mach mean fire. Negro. Negro in Dinka mean ranchol. Ranchol. Negro. Aeroplane mean rianyal. Boat. Rianwir. Apologize mean watchful. Anxious mean neck dear. Anxiety mean dear. Afraid. Rioch. Abandon. Palway. Palway. Abandon. Automobile or automobile or car mean trumbil. Trumbil. Atem mean them. 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 Ant hill mean rail. 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 Mountain mean kur. Kur or got. Got. Bilang. Chor. Chor. Demon. Jongrach. 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 Demon. Deceive mean dong. 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 Drought mean yak. Yak. Fingernail mean ryup. 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 Friendship mean math. 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 Anger mean chok. Chok. Chok mean anger. Angry mean neck chok. Neck chok. I am very angry. And neck chok. Paid it. Immediately mean emen. 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 For example, you want to say, I will come immediately. And beban emen. Emen. And beban emen. Emen. And beban emen tiok. And beban emen. Emen. Langfish mean luth. Luth. Luth is called langfish. Locust mean corium. 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 Then Yenakan by William Majak dit. William Majang dit. Edupioj Tongjang. Please like and share my video. Okay? Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Go there, subscribe, also like and comment there in YouTube. Okay? Thank you very much. Dorniali kawe, kuyanya. Ugaban yok in next lesson. Please follow my Facebook page also. It's called Dinka Awil Dialogue. You go there and follow us there. Like the video also. Okay? Bye bye.